Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there? Or read something, heard it, and then forgot it almost immediately? Short-term memory affects how we focus, hold information, and recall it when we need it. The good news is that there are simple daily habits that can help support attention, working memory, and recall. The first habit is sleep first. Your brain needs quality sleep to restore attention and help encode new information. When you do not get enough rest, memory, learning, and focus can all suffer. A consistent sleep schedule is one of the most important foundations for better memory. Second, cut distractions. Short-term memory works better when fewer things are competing for your attention. Constant notifications, multitasking, and background noise can make it harder to hold on to new information. Focusing on one task at a time in short blocks can make a big difference. Third, chunk the information. Breaking information into smaller, meaningful groups makes it easier for the brain to hold and remember. Instead of trying to remember one long stream of information, group it into manageable parts. This is a classic memory strategy that helps reduce overload. Fourth, repeat it out loud. Saying information aloud helps refresh it in your mind. You can say it, write it, and repeat it again shortly after. Rehearsal strengthens memory before the information fades. Fifth, test yourself. After reading or hearing something, pause and try to recall the main points without looking. This strengthens the memory trace and is one of the most effective ways to improve later recall. Retrieval practice helps the brain remember by making it work. 6. Space your reviews. Instead of cramming, come back to the information later the same day, and again the next day. Spaced review interrupts forgetting and helps information stay with you longer. Reviewing over time works better than trying to do it all at once. 7th, move your body. Even a short walk or a few minutes of regular movement can help support alertness, blood flow, and mental energy. Physical movement is connected to better working memory and stronger executive function. And 8th, calm stress quickly. Stress uses up attention and mental bandwidth. A few minutes of slow breathing, mindfulness, or calm stillness can help settle the mind before studying, working, or problem solving. When the mind is calmer, memory works better. So if you want a simple memory formula, think of it like this: sleep, focus, group, repeat, retrieve, review, move, and breathe. Small daily habits can make a real difference over time. And if memory problems are new, severe, or interfering with daily life, it is important to seek medical advice. But for everyday support, these simple habits can help you improve short-term memory, strengthen recall, and stay mentally sharp. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more practical videos that help you build better habits, strengthen your mind, and live with more focus and clarity. And remember, improving short-term memory does not have to be complicated. Start small, sleep well, focus on one thing at a time, review what matters, move your body, calm your stress, and give your mind the support it needs every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.